Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. I am your class teacher Miss Musarrat, and today we are going to read computer unit number 1, machines. As you know that you can see these all machines. We have done this page. Today we are going to read page number 7. That is, how do machines work? How do machines work? So let's read with me. Some machines use electricity to work. Students, electricity is a form of energy. So some machines use electricity. Here you can see these pictures. There are the different types of the machines that use the electricity. So some of these use electricity and some of these do not use electricity. A television uses electricity to work. Yes student, here you can see the picture. This is television. It uses electricity and you can watch your favorite cartoons. So student, if it uses the electricity, if there is no electricity, you cannot even own the television without electricity. So electricity is very important for this machine. Some machines do not use electricity to work. A bicycle does not use electricity to work. Yes student, you can see this picture of the bicycle. It does not use the electricity. Okay, it run without the electricity. So they are saying, in this topic they are saying that some machines use electricity and some machine does not use the electricity to work. Here's look at this activity. Tick the machines which use electricity. Bicycle does not use electricity, so you will put the cross. Refrigerator, it uses electricity, yes, so you put the tick. And next one is iron use the electricity. So when you go to the school, definitely you press your uniform. So without electricity it does not run, so with the electricity it run, so it use the electricity. A motorbike, it does not use the electricity. Aeroplane, so yes, here students, aeroplane you can see that it's use the indirect electricity. So here you can put the cross because it does not use the direct electricity, as washing machines use the direct electricity. Washing machine is used for washing clothes, so here you will put the tick. So here you can see this bicycle, aeroplane and motorbike. So these three machines does not use the electricity, while iron, refrigerator and washing machine use the electricity. So guys, today's task is read this paragraph and recognize that which machines use electricity and which machines does not use the electricity. Inshallah, in the next class we will read read this page and complete the exercise. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.